Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. When I always say don't overlook the junk, that doesn't apply to just trains. What you're looking at, of course, is a Hamilton Electronics school record player, circa 1970 something. Anyway, I picked this thing up for $10 and it works.
Train number 66, Pacific Coast Express, now leaving for San Bernardino, Riverside, Anaheim, Azusa, Cucamonga, Pasadena, and Los Angeles. Coach and parlor cars only, leaving on track 2. Board! Attention please. Train number 66, Pacific Coast Limited, from San Bernardino, Riverside, and Pasadena, now arriving on track 1. Passengers leaving at gate 5.
So, as you see, it's old, but it works. As I always stress, don't overlook the junk. There was a time when this was the only sound effects there were for model trains. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.